I have 5 more air conditioner radiators to process. So that means chopping off the macaronis and hammering off this ferrous piece on each end. So first, cut off the macaronis. Watch for oil and stuff that comes out of these guys. Oh. These lips come up too far. You gotta hammer them back out of the way so you can get the macaronis off. They'll take them like this, but they're not worth as much money because of that magnetic strip right here. Then we take the hammer and knock this strip off, and this end is clean. Same as the other side. Wear gloves with these suckers because they're sharp. And we got your magnetic strips here go on the shred pile, and you got your cleaned rad here to throw on your rad pile. Next, remember, pound this stuff out of the way if there's any. Then you can cut. And then pound the ends off. What do we got here? That ridge out of the way. Off we go. Because what came off the sides of those 5 little rads, those are air conditioner rads.